Life is what happens when you are busy making other plans. In 3 words, I can sum up everything I've learned about life. It goes on. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. The purpose of our lives is to be happy. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. Life is too important to be taken seriously. Life is a journey that must be traveled no matter how bad the roads and accommodations. Life is short and it's up to you to make it sweet. Life is 10% what happens to us and 90% how we react to it. Life is a succession of lessons which must be lived to be understood. The purpose of life is not to be happy, it's to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have it make some difference, that you have lived and lived well. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Don't resist them. That only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things flow naturally forward in whatever way they like. Life is about making an impact, not making an income. Life is the art of drawing without an eraser. Life is short, and if we enjoy every moment of every day, then we will be happy, no matter what happens or what changes along the way. The purpose of life is not to be in control, it's to be connected. The purpose of life is to contribute in some way to making things better. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count, it's the life in your years.